you're about to make a mistake. You'll assume this was filmed with a camera, but it wasn't. No crew, no studio, no budget, just AI. And if this fools you, we've crossed a line. This is Seedance 2.0, which is a powerful AI engine to generate videos. Let's see if it's actually cinematic or just really good marketing. Look at these examples. That lighting feels intentional. The depth of field looks real, and the camera movement isn't random. It feels directed. This doesn't look like an early AI video. It looks planned. But here's the problem. AI video usually falls apart in motion. Hands glitch, faces drift, and physics break. So let's see if this actually holds up. Let's play this one. That camera tracking is smooth. The lighting stays consistent across frames, and the shadows don't flicker. That's not easy to fake. Now remember, hiring a real film crew can cost anywhere from $1,500 to $10,000 per day. You need to hire a director, camera operator, lighting technician, an editor, and rent equipment. In contrast, Seedance just runs in your browser on the internet. Now let's look at the interface. You upload images, you add a prompt, you control resolution, aspect ratio, and duration. And you have the option to upload an image and turn into a video, or convert text to a video. You can just describe camera movements in text, which cinematographers train for years to master. AI is revolutionizing advertising, social media content, film production, and music videos. Seedance isn't just targeting hobbyists, it's targeting production teams. Seedance 2.0 might not completely replace a $10,000 film crew just yet, but for YouTube creators, ads, indie films, product videos, social media, this is dangerously close to good enough. And this is version 2.0. The scary part isn't what it can do today, it's what the next version will look like. All I know for certain is that AI is moving fast, and if you don't want to fall behind, you need to subscribe right now.